The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, a car so perfected for speed that its creators swore they would never build anything faster. But in the world of hypercars, records are never safe. Not long ago, that crown belonged to the all-electric Rimac Nevera R, the Croatian missile that stunned the world by going from 0 to 400 kilometers per hour and back to 0 in 25.79 seconds. It was a showcase of instant torque and cutting-edge EV engineering, and it pushed Koenigsegg off the throne. For a while, it looked like the electric era had claimed victory. But yesterday, everything changed. Koenigsegg didn't add a new engine. They didn't bolt on new parts. Instead, their engineers sat down at a computer and rewrote history with a simple software tweak.
We call this new software tune-up Absolut Overdrive.
Torque mapping, traction control, and power delivery, recalibrated to perfection. The result? The Jesko Absolut exploded off the line, stormed to 400 kilometers per hour in 16.77 seconds, and came back to a dead stop in just 8.44 seconds. The total? 25.21 seconds, obliterating the Nevera R's time by 0.58 seconds. This isn't just speed. This is a two-wheel, rear-wheel drive, twin-turbo V8 defeating an all-wheel drive electric hypercar on its own turf. The drag strip, 1,600 horsepower, a drag coefficient of just 0.278, and Michelin Cup 2 tires that somehow held on as physics begged them to let go. Inside, it's still a Koenigsegg, leather, Alcantara, tech, and comfort. But with this new Absolut Overdrive software, every Jesko Absolut customer now has a hypercar capable of rewriting the record books without changing a single bolt. Christian von Koenigsegg summed it up best: beating an all-electric, four-wheel drive hypercar in a straight line with a rear-wheel drive V8? That's magic. The Rimac Nevera R may have set the bar, but the Jesko Absolut just launched it into another stratosphere. And now, the ball is back in Rimac's court.